Your carburetor helps meter fuel going into your engine. So if it's running lean, it might be sneezing or popping. If it's running rich, it might be pouring black smoke out the exhaust. Or it can even have a no start condition where you turn the key and it just cranks and it won't actually fire up. I'm Kanan, and today on the Way YouTube channel, I'm going to show you how to clean your carburetor so it's running properly. Now the tools you'll need to clean your carburetor are going to be starting with some protective gloves and eyewear. You can also choose to wear long sleeves if you want to. You'll want some napkins, shop towels, rags, anything else to help to wipe down and soak up fluid. You'll want a vacuum to be able to take away dirt from the intake and carburetor. Last is going to be some microfiber towels to clean up and some small brushes to be able to scrub away any gungy dirt. First step of the process is we need to get into the actual carburetor. So this has an air cleaner. We need to take off the wing nut holding down the lid, take off the body of it, and remove any hoses. Be sure to document where the hoses go to make sure they are put back in place. You can use your phone, just take a couple pictures, or just write it down on a piece of paper. Next step of the process is to vacuum any loose dirt away from your carburetor. This will make sure you can get your cleaner down to where it needs to be. Next, we're going to use our napkins or our shop towels or rags just to place them down next to the carburetor so that any dirt or anything, the cleaner that doesn't go into the carburetor is immediately soaked up and we don't worry about ruining any of the electronics in the area. Next, we're going to use our spray cleaner to spray down inside the carburetor to make sure that everything is thoroughly cleaned. And we're going to allow this to sit just a few minutes to make sure the cleaner has enough time to work on all the dirty grunge inside the carburetor. Next, we're going to use our microfiber towel in order to clean up any excess dirt that's left around the top of the carburetor or in the adjacent area. After you spray it on your cleaner, if you find you have any stubborn dirt that just does not want to come off, this is a great time to use your small brushes or an old toothbrush just to clean off that stingy dirt. Now once you wipe away everything else, make sure you leave it sit out approximately 2 to 3 hours to make sure that all the cleaner has enough time to evaporate off and all the dirt and everything else is gone. Once you're done there, you can just go ahead and reassemble your air cleaner. Make sure your hoses go back to where you documented either with your phone or you wrote down, and then give it a good start. If it starts up immediately and runs a whole lot better, well, you did the right thing. If it didn't, it still needs a little bit of work. It may be time to take it to a proper mechanic for a little bit of further inspection. Now, if you like these DIY videos here on the Way YouTube channel, make sure you hit subscribe. Click the bell notification so you know exactly when we release out new videos. You can follow us on Instagram at way.com_ and absolutely on TikTok at way.com. Because at way.com, it's all about cars. We'll see you next time.